Good evening. This is the New Dawn FM News in English, read to you by Dolores Talasi. First, the headlines. ABG election under the guidance of the state of emergency orders. Women should be included in decision-making committees to address COVID-19 in the region. COVID-19 awareness still yet to be conducted in some communities, and rumors on COVID-19 clarified. Now the news in detail. Bougainville Electoral Commissioner George Manu stated today during the Parliament session that state of emergency has formally postponed and influenced the ABG elections. He stated that he is under the guidance of the SOE controller and the health secretary, that he will not do his work without the controllers and health secretary's approval. He presented three aims of the office of the Bougainville Electoral Commission to continue the ABG elections. The aims being that the elections to be managed effectively to the highest standard, that the results are accepted leading to a stable and functioned government, and that the OBEC does not increase the public risk to do its stuff. However, he said he has conditioned that has made it impossible for elections to take place. Mr. Manu said election materials should be imported from outside the country, and with the SOE going on, there is no guarantee the materials would be imported into the country and to Bougainville. He said for the last 12 months, the office of OBEC has repeatedly requested to address a number of charges to allow the ABG elections to move forward. The charges include the release of funds, the invitation of the national election observers, resolution on the proposed amendments to the electoral laws, and the establishment and registration of the political parties. He said all these issues remain pending as the state of emergency adds additional orders as social gathering, movements, shipping and flights are subject to restrictions. Bougainville Women Federation President Ms. Rachel Tien said women played an important role in the peace process and should be included in decision-making bodies for their voices to be heard in addressing the COVID-19 in the region. Ms. Tien said in the Constitution of Bougainville under Section 28, the role of the women is recognized by the government. She said the vision for the women in Bougainville is to uphold Christian and cultural principles and to become equal partners in decision-making in all sectors of the region's committees. Ms. Tien calls for peace to be contained and maintained in the region despite the COVID-19 crisis. You are listening to the New Dawn FM News. There have been reports coming from people in some communities in the region that they are not aware of what COVID-19 is, as there has been no COVID-19 awareness conducted yet at their communities. President for the Bougainville Women Federation, Rachel Tien, raised the concern and appealed to the constituency members to use the funds wisely with the purpose of carrying out the awareness on COVID-19 at their constituencies. Ms. Tien said the only way to prevent the COVID-19 from entering Bougainville is for people to submit to the authorities, obey and comply with the state of emergency orders that have been enforced. She also appealed to the people of Bougainville, both from rural and urban areas, to unite and work together in collaboration with the authorities in the fight against COVID-19 in the region. The ABG Health Response Team has released a press statement yesterday to clear up misinformation and rumors that are spreading in the public. The rumors being: number one, COVID-19 is airborne and can remain 8 hours in the air. COVID-19 is transmitted through 5G internet. Number 3, getting COVID-19, you will die or you will have it for the rest of your life. And number 4 rumor, Chewing betel nut protects you against COVID-19. The fact is, COVID-19 is not airborne but is transmitted through droplets generated when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or speaks. These droplets are too heavy to end in the air. You can be infected by breathing in the virus if you are within 1 meter of a person who has COVID-19, or by touching contaminated surface and then touching your eyes, nose, or mouth before washing. Fact number 2. Mobile network does not spread COVID-19 and virus cannot travel through radio waves or mobile networks. Fact number 3. You can recover from COVID-19 and catching the virus does not mean you will suddenly die or have it for life. Most of the people who catch COVID-19 recover and eliminate the virus from their bodies. Lastly, chewing betel nut does not protect people from COVID-19 but causes cancer and increases the risk of cardiovascular disease, both of which increase the risk of severe COVID-19. This has been the New Dawn FM News in English. You can also see our news on www.bougainvillenews.com, www.bougainville.typepad.com. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. You can also listen to us on New Dawn FM YouTube page. On behalf of the news team, I am Dolores Talassi. You have a pleasant evening.